We have a chef who's come from outside who will be doing a dish for us. So right now I'm going to welcome Mr. Ganesh. Mr. Ganesh is a brand ambassador. Thank you, chef. Thank you all for. And Scotland master flavor by blending the whiskey and Scotland master of it by blending the whiskey. So there are some crucial settings that are there which you can think about it. There are some crucial procedures but I will go for the say hi. What are the flavors you're getting?
Cocktail made by me.
Okay. The first rule that I missed. Yes. Not only cheers. Yes. Okay. From this bottle. And now this is. Good, and we are missing. Okay. Yes. Yes. And you're doing a good job. You're willing? Welcome him to the stage, please. And like what Ganesh had mentioned, he comes which he's going to prepare today. And I'm sure all of you are going to love it. Even people who are non-alcoholic. And thank you for your beer at 080. So like we are on like for example, though already sent down the and we have some. So when we thought very easy one. Anyone will. So the name of the dish is to bring this gulab jamun chaat to a very popular dish. We have a jamun fruit. So now recipe out of it. So we did have a two portion size. This is a portion size we're making, like as per this one. But back home you can do however you want to be like. So you want to smash the potatoes. Smash means fight karne ka uske saath. Keep it on the top of it and add some one spoon of onions, and you should drizzle some chilies on top of it. Fine chop green chilies. So what happens is the sweetness and the chilies both together, it will crumble and it will mix a very sweet and spicy flavor to a jamun. And with that one, we're going to have some tomatoes. Yes, and a little bit of chaat masala and kala namak, little bit of kala namak and some chili and chili powder. So now comes your garnish part and to enhance that one. So shape also plays a major role, like so it will be a very so very important. So sweet chili. Basically, gulab jamun is very good snacks for the evening, and it's like very simple. Within a 5 minutes, you can make it for your kids or family, anybody like. Or maybe we having today a drinks. Spice, everything is good, so that you come to know time. Yeah. So tasting is very important. Rice, something like that. So this has to be traveling all over the world. So when we only sip top because it has only alcohol on top, layered with the juices and pickles. I'm going to taste this one. Please pass it around. Pass it around. Your feedback from.
Tinava.
I definitely love what I made.